NFTs can also represent ownership of physical artwork. Let's decode this. Artists or galleries can create NFTs linked to a real-world art piece, providing digital proof of ownership. And if your software is lacking, and you can't buy an entire piece of art, you can own fractional shares. Let's say a $1 million painting is tokenized into 1,000 NFTs, and you can buy a few. It makes fine art investing accessible even for small investors. Now, let's skip to another data folder. Real estate. Imagine buying a home through an NFT, where the NFT represents ownership of the property. The entire transaction could be done digitally and securely through a blockchain. No need for intermediaries like banks or notaries. Outstanding performance detected. Extra information influx. NFTs can also be used to own a fraction of expensive real-world assets, like mansions, yachts, or even private jets. It means lower entry costs. Plus, fractional ownership tokens can be sold or traded on platforms, making it easier to liquidate your investment. NFTs might replace traditional car titles. Instead of dealing with paperwork to prove ownership, you'll have an NFT linked to your vehicle. This could make car sales quicker and more secure. It reminds me of an antivirus. With everything stored on a blockchain, it could reduce fraud, making it easier to track the full history of a vehicle. Don't plug out yet. If your entire insurance policy was stored as an NFT on a blockchain, everyone could see the details, making it more difficult for fraud to occur. Plus, you could buy, sell, or even trade your insurance policy. Initiating the example protocol. Platforms like Ethereum are already using blockchain to create decentralized insurance products for things like flight delays or crop protection. NFTs can also be used as collateral for loans. Platforms like NFT-Fi and Pine.Loans let NFT owners use their tokens as security to borrow money. Explanation algorithm on: the NFT gets locked in a smart contract, and if the loan isn't paid back, the lender keeps the NFT. I bet you need time to process. See you in the next video. Tappy deactivated.